Hello, welcome back to PosterMyWall. We've had a bunch of new exciting updates that have gone out in the last few weeks, which you are going to love. So I can't wait to show you. Let's dive right in. First up is PosterMyWall AI 2.0, which gives you a lot more options for what you can do with your AI generated designs. So if you want to try another look or just redesign a template, all you have to do is choose from the gallery, which has a lot of pre-made templates related to the theme that you've looked for. For example, I like this one. And what this does is that the AI automatically fetches the details that you've added and applies them to the design that you have just selected from the template gallery. And here it is, a completely redesigned template without any manual editing, and all of your details are automatically added. Super quick, super smooth. Second up is styles. So if you want to try another option for changing the look of your AI generated design, just click on change style. There are a bunch of different presets for you to choose from, like neon, professional, watercolor, and you can choose a style that fits your brand look or just your preference. So I'll go for minimalist here, and the AI just changes the generated result to match the style instead. Another really cool thing that you can do with your AI generated designs is to animate them. All you have to do is click on turn into video, and the AI will turn your static design into an animated video clip. And this also comes with audio attached. So if you would like a video without any music or sound effects at the back, just click on this toggle and click on silent. Now let's move to the PosterMyWall editor, where we have an update that's been long overdue. PosterMyWall now supports multi-page designs. This means that you can add several pages in a single design file, making it super easy to create brochures, flyers, menus, or any design that has several pages to it. Over here, you can also move elements between pages, like I'm going to move this ball onto page number 2, over here, and take a good look at the entire design from top to bottom to make sure it's all following the same color scheme and style. This is going to speed up your designing by a ton because you don't have to manage separate files anymore. It's all just in the same design. Another exciting update, which also happens to be my favorite, is AI videos. So now you can turn your text descriptions into the exact video that you're looking for. So instead of manually recording something or spending hours looking for the right stock video, all you have to do is click on AI and AI videos in the editor. Just paste or type in the description of the video clip that you're looking for and hit generate. You can also choose from a bunch of different preferences. So the aspect ratio, the quality, you can go for high quality, and you can choose to have audio, or you could click no to not add any sound effects. And you can also choose your camera angle. So you can choose between close-up, widescreen, top view. I'll go for a close-up over here, and just click to add it to your design. You can adjust it, crop it, fix the dimensions, and place it where you'd like. And that's it. Lastly, we have a really exciting update for businesses that want to instantly inform their customers via social media about their upcoming events and their entire event lineup. So just head to the Events tab, and under Events Calendar, just click on Create. Over here, the AI is going to automatically fetch all of your upcoming events and ask you to confirm if these are the ones that you want to feature on your graphic. So once you do that, the AI will generate an instant custom graphic that you can just download and upload to your socials right away. So this way, your customers will know exactly what's coming up, and it all just took a minute. These are all the updates for now. I hope you enjoy using them and have lots of fun experimenting with them. I will meet you next time with a new round of even more exciting updates.